Hello and welcome back to Biker Stuff. As you may know, once in a while I am asked to review a torch. Today I will be taking a look at the Thrunite TC20 V2. This is the new version of the TC20. I haven't seen the old one, but this is called the V2. Maybe because it was designed in Germany. They come in sand brown, called desert tan, a gunmetal grey, which sounds nice, and this one is black. The light beam comes in two colours. Cool white, or like this one, neutral white. Let me open it up and see what I get. Right, this is an advisory note to remind me to tighten the body as they send them loose. Sending them unscrewed and disconnects the battery inside and prevents the chance of fire, I guess. Inside the box, you will get a user manual, in more languages than I can speak, a couple of bits of paper, a bag of bits I'll go through in a moment, a sheath, and a USB-C charge cable. Let me open this little bag and see what is in it. You get a wrist lanyard, spare O-rings, a small key ring, a couple of replacement USB covers, and what looks like a new button seal. Light levels are, from the lowest, Firefly at 0.3 lumens, low at 35 lumens, medium at 320 lumens, high at 1853 lumens, and turbo, although I've not heard any turbo spinning, at 4068 lumens. I must add that this torch is waterproof. They say it is IPX8, which means little in the UK, but I believe it is the equivalent to IP68. I will test all of the light levels outside after I've had time to charge it. The instructions read to turn on and off, press the button. To change between the light level modes with the light on, long press the button to cycle through low, medium and high. With the light off, long press the button to get into the firefly mode. In any mode, if you double click the button, it will go into turbo mode, and if you double click it again, it will go into strobe mode. But only pretending to be Hit Girl occasionally, I don't have a need for that. When on in any mode, just single press the button to turn it off. If you turn it off in low, medium or high, when you turn it back on, it will return to that level. Can I ask, if you are new here and like what I do, please consider subscribing by clicking on my face down there. Then ring my bell so that you will get notifications when there is more to see from Biker Stuff. I'm going to charge the torch now, so when I test it afterwards, it will have full power available. See you shortly, outside in the dark. This is the best place to test a torch, I think. So let me demonstrate each of the light levels. Long press to get into firefly mode. If you wanted to read something in the dark, this is an ideal light level. Now, let us have a look at the three main light levels. This is low, this is medium, and this is high. Now, get ready, this is the turbo mode. Wow, that is bright. Brilliant. Okay, see you back inside. As you have seen, all of these levels, with the exception of the firefly, give a nice spread of light, rather than a directed pencil beam as some torches do. I've not shown the testing of the strobe, but take my word, it works okay. If you like this torch, they are available at a lot less than the equivalent Olight. Also, if you are a dog owner like me and winter is coming, you will find this handy, Jon Snow.
But winter is coming.
I'll leave a link in the description to Amazon. Thank you for watching. I know you liked it, so tell your friends, and I'll see you here next time on Biker Stuff.